Hello, it's me, Luigi, and welcome to LEGO Luigi Explores the Human Body. Today, we're gonna look at the muscular system. Mamma mia, that was a good workout. What was? There was a toad trapped inside a question mark block, and I had to free him and carry him to the goal. It's not easy to run and dodge enemies while holding what feels like an 80-pound creature above your head. Sometimes I wonder why it's me carrying him and not the other way around. After all, from what I understand, he is stronger than I am. Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it. Why don't you go inside and give your muscles a rest while I talk about them? Okie dokie. The muscular system, as its name suggests, is made of muscles. If there's any function that involves movement, voluntary or involuntary, you can thank the muscular system for that. Oh, hi Luigi. How's the web series going? Oh, I was just getting started on another episode. Oh, great. What is it about this time? This one is about the muscular system. Oh, the muscular system. Well, go on. Alright, so there are 3 types of muscle tissue: skeletal, cardiac, and smooth. Let's take a look at each one. First, skeletal muscle. This is voluntary muscle tissue that attaches to bones to make them move. The cells are long and straight, and they have multiple nuclei and visible striations, which are essentially just stripes. There are around 640 skeletal muscles, and they're what most people think of when they think of muscles. Oh, well usually I think of a certain type of shellfish, but that's not what we're talking about, is it? Why would you think that? I'm just kidding. Oh, okay. Let's keep going then. Next is cardiac muscle. It has striations like skeletal muscle, but you can only find it in the walls of the heart. Unlike skeletal muscle, each cell has only one nucleus, and it works involuntarily to keep your heart beating 24/7 without you having to think about it. Also, notice how the cells aren't arranged as neatly as the skeletal muscle cells. They form sort of a branching structure, which makes it easy to tell cardiac muscle apart from the others. And finally, smooth muscle. This is also involuntary muscle, and it has no striations. The cells are short and tapered at the ends, and they each have one nucleus. Smooth muscle lines the walls of blood vessels and most hollow organs, such as those in the digestive and urinary tracts. What's up with him? I don't know. He must be excited about the new movie coming out in the spring. I've noticed it's becoming popular among his kind. Oh yeah. Well, I've got to go and attend a meeting now. A meeting? What for? I'm the president of Foxy's Cookie Fan Club. I thought you hated Foxy's Cookies. Yeah, well, it's more of an anti-fan club. If you want, we can talk more about it later. See ya. Okay, bye-bye. Now let's take a look at the structure of a skeletal muscle. As you can see, a skeletal muscle is made of rope-like units that keep getting smaller and smaller. The smallest unit is called a myofibril. Thousands of myofibrils line up to form muscle fibers, which are your muscle cells. They line up to form fascicles, which line up to form your actual muscles. Each of these units is covered by a sheet of connective tissue to make it sturdier.
Hey, Luigi! Where's Mario?
Oh, he went inside to give his muscles a rest after rescuing a toad from a question mark block. Do you know how hard it is to dodge enemies and run while carrying someone of your weight above your head?
Not really. Do you?
No, but I know how important it is to take care of your muscles.
Hey, how do muscles even work?
I was just about to talk about that. It starts in your brain, which is in charge of everything your body does. The brain sends signals through motor neurons to your muscles, telling them to contract and relax. Muscles often come in pairs because they can't extend by themselves, but one muscle can reverse the movement caused by another. By getting shorter, or contracting, muscles pull on tendons which attach muscles to bones. The pulling force on the bone causes it to move, which is how you can, say, move your hand to bring a puppet to life.
What?
Never mind. Hey, would you care to tell everyone how toads get so strong?
I'm sorry, who?
the people at the camera. What?
Oh! Hey there! So how as Toads get strong is, like, we have to stress ourselves, doing tasks that we may find hard, and then they eventually get easier.
Right. You see, muscles require a lot of energy to do their thing, and exposing them to stress will damage them just a little bit, but that's okay. That little bit of damage triggers the immune system to come and repair the muscle tissue, making it stronger. Right now, Mario is giving his muscles time to heal by resting, and he's also making sure to eat right. Once he's taken care of that, he'll be back to kick some Koopa in no time.
Oh, can I help?
Sure, we can all play together.
Great, I'll go get my friend Barry too. We'll see you back here.
Okie dokie. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to like and subscribe to Muppet Central for more videos of me and my friends. The links to the research sources are in the description as always. See you next time! I wonder what Yoshi's fan club is all about.